Hello and welcome to Logic Hub. In this video we can find the value of this difficult problem, which is 6 divided by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2. So if you are talented, then solve this question just in 45 seconds. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, then in this video I can solve this question very easy method. So don't skip this video, it is very important for you. In this video I can tell you the basic or rules for order of operation. So guys, remember that one rule which is used for order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, where P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, here parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly, in this expression we can solve parentheses. So guys, our solution is 6 divided by 1 plus 2 equals to 3 times 2. Now here in PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So here 6 divided by 3 equals to 2 times 2. Now here 2 times 2 equals to 4. This is the final answer of this expression. The final answer of this expression is 4. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing questions. Thanks a lot.